COVID-19 has proven to be the most challenging epidemic that independent India has had to face. The new normal has forced businesses to reconsider their strategies and adopt more robust practices. Hi, my name is Neha Matthew and I'm an associate partner at King Stubbe & Kasiva. In this video, I will be touching upon the challenge that employers are facing trying to ensure data security while imposing work from home. For Lockdown 4.0, the Ministry of Home Affairs, through its notification dated 17th May 2020, has allowed staggering of work hours in offices, shops, markets, industrial and commercial establishments. However, it has yet again pressed for employers to follow work from home as far as is possible. Additionally, with a view to ensuring safety in office and workplaces, the Home Ministry has urged employers on a best efforts basis to ensure that employees install the Arogya Setu application on mobile phones that are compatible. In its previous set of guidelines, the government had made the use of this application mandatory for all employees in both private and public sector. However, with the latest notification, this appears to be more of a strong recommendation than a mandate. A more pressing concern for employers surrounding the situation of work from home is the increased possibility of breach of client data, confidentiality, business data, and personal data, not only of employees but also of customers and other stakeholders. This is definitely more challenging for the banking and healthcare sectors that amass a lot of personal data. Personal data and sensitive information can include passwords, biometric details, banking details, financial details, details of an individual's physical and mental health condition. The challenge really exists because employees working from home are most likely to be using their personal devices, and some even are probably using public Wi-Fi or networks which are not as secured as the closed networks at offices, which have necessary barriers in place to prevent unwarranted entry of outsiders. So special care must be taken to ensure security of personal data, especially now since India recognizes the right to privacy as a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Now, to understand what security measures to take for your business, the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, or CERT-In, has issued guidelines giving details of protective measures that one can take to prevent cyber attacks or instances of cybersecurity breach. This was released pursuant to the hacking of the Zoom application, which is one of the applications being extensively used by businesses as a means to stay connected and to transact business. The guidelines can be accessed on their official web portal. Apart from these, there have not been any specific instructions or advisories around data security during the lockdown. Hence, reference must be taken from the existing laws in India, which is primarily the Information Technology Act of 2000, the Sensitive Personal Data or Information Rules of 2011, and the Data Protection Bill of 2019, which is under consideration in the Parliament. These legislations mandate body corporates to obtain consent prior to collecting any personal or sensitive data and to use such data for the intended purpose only. They are further mandated not to retain data for longer than is necessary. Failure to comply with these provisions will attract penalty, including a fine up to 5 lakh rupees or imprisonment up to 3 years, or both. In fact, the Personal Data Protection Bill proposes a penalty which is higher than that outlined under the Information Technology Act. Hence, it is advisable to have robust policies in place, including a work from home policy and a data protection policy, which will be particularly useful to mitigate risks for businesses operating during the lockdown. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.